welcome into our class. So I went ahead and I pulled up a Microsoft page, and as you see, once you get in, you have the option of downloading the class to your computer or device as an app. I would strongly recommend doing that. Now, once you're in, you're going to want to click on Homeroom. That's our class. And you will see that there's just general posts that I have pushed onto the page that you can access. If you click on assignments, that's where attendance will be. So let's see, I clicked on assignments. And you just simply click on the assignment for the day. As you can see, there's nothing for today, but the attendance will show up every single day. And all you have to do is click on the one question that's there and mark that you have attended. And then after that, up here on the top is where you will access our classroom lessons under Files. You'll see that there's 3 folders. One is just for general parent information to help you navigate your way through digital learning. The other one is the social skills folder, and that's from our student services team at the school. They have created lessons that you can access, and these are what I refer to at the end of each of our lessons. And then you have the lessons folder. Once you click on our lessons folder, you click on the week that we're working in. And then you click on the day that you'll be working on. So, for example, March 30th. This is the Monday that we begin. I have general information here that will help you get through digital learning that you can access. I would strongly recommend clicking the slideshow tab and then viewing it as a slideshow, because that will be how you get the embedded links that I have put into each slide to make it easier on you. I'm just going to go through it this way just to go through it quickly with you. So this is a social story. It's the same one I put on the post, but it's just a nice way to access it. Another way to click on the link, by the way, is hit Control and then just click on the link. But again, it's easier if you just have it on as a slideshow. These are just ways that I can get in contact with you, or you can get in contact with me. And then this is just a recommended daily schedule that the district has actually sent out. But of course, I know that every family has different circumstances that you're working within. But it's just a nice guideline to give you some structure if you would like to follow through with the lesson that the district recommends. Now, if you go through, you'll see that every day we'll have just the general guidelines. We've talked about attendance. I added the standards onto the slides to help you understand what you're teaching and what the students are learning. This is an overview of what we'll be doing every day, and then you can just go through the lessons and begin there. Now, again, I've given you these lessons. Take breaks if you need them. Take your time doing them. Don't feel pressured to have to get everything done within a certain period of time. I understand it's a learning curve for everyone and that the children aren't used to this type of learning. So do what your family needs to do, and I'm here for you. Again, you can reach out to me through Class Dojo, and I posted the times that I'm available for you. Thank you. Have a great day.